Upcycling, also known as creative reuse, is the do-it-yourself ethos of taking a discarded object and turning it into something of better quality than the original. It's the crafting equivalent of the old saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure. And today, we'll be upcycling the metal pop-top tabs of soda cans into a keychain. Let's check it out. Hi there! I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, where I'm an adult services librarian. Welcome back to our library. We're so excited to have you today as we learn to make upcycled soda tab keychains. Here's all the supplies you'll need. 8 soda tabs, a length of ribbon approximately 1 foot long, 1 key ring of any size, and a pair of scissors. Grab your ribbon and let's get started. Fold the ribbon in half. String the key ring onto the folded ribbon. Pull the ends of the ribbon through the loop, creating a cow hitch. Pull to tighten. Now we'll string these soda tabs onto the ribbon. You can follow along with the video or with the diagrams shown on the screen. First, thread each ribbon end through one hole in the first soda tab from the underside. Place a second tab over the first, but under the ribbon. To secure this second tab, thread each ribbon end through the top of the second tab. And then thread them down into the first tab once again. String a third tab onto the ribbon, again from the underside. Now, feed the ribbon ends through the underside of the second tab. Place a fourth tab over the third, but under the ribbon. And again, thread each ribbon end through the top of the fourth tab. And down into the third tab. Repeat this pattern until all the tabs have been used. Tighten as you go to make sure you have enough ribbon to complete the project. Thread any remaining ribbon through the underside of the 8th tab. The barbs in the soda tab will prevent the ribbon from slipping out during use. As a last step, trim the ends on a diagonal to prevent fraying. And there you have it, a completed upcycled soda tab keychain that can show off your upcycling skills. What's the craziest thing you ever upcycled? How else would you use soda tab in crafting? Let me know in those comments, or leave tips and tricks that made you successful with this craft for the rest of our community to see. If you're into making crafts like this, you'll definitely want to check out Creative Bug, a crafting database that's free with your library card. Creative Bug has thousands of videos hosted by master crafters of all disciplines, from sewing to cake decorating, from painting to pottery. There's content for all ages and ability levels at Creative Bug, so don't miss out on that world of creativity. Visit the site today. As always, like and share if you got something out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got crafts, book talks, teen life skills, author events, and more on this channel. Pretty much all the programming you love at the library available online 24/7. I'll be back soon with another how-to video. In the meantime, you can connect with the Goffstown Public Library on social media, or you can visit goffstownlibrary.com to see what we're up to. As a last note, this video was produced as part of the 2021 Community Conversation, Can We Talk About the Environment? For more programs centering around climate change and environmentalism, plus resources to get you started on your journey, visit goffstownlibrary.com/community conversation. Again, I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, and I'll check you out later. Bye!